Hello and welcome. I am Yaza and this is Drone History, or at least that's the name I've given to this project I've been working on past few months. In here, we have a factory view. In this factory view we have some excavators producing ore, some smelters producing iron bars. Exactly. And we have an assembler that crafts parts, or in here they're presented as screws. On the top left you can see the inventory of the player, or just the general inventory. And what do we need all this for, you may ask? Well, let me show you. We can modify this factory a little because it's all configurable. Let's go like this, and here we'll have parts, and those parts are gonna land in here. And in here I can craft the bars we could see here, the parts we can see here, or a fancy little thing which is a drone blueprint. And what is a drone blueprint, you may ask? Let me show you. In the design drones view, which is right here, I can design a drone, and on the bottom left I can see stats. All of those, you know, it's not the best of a drone. Those stats are not too great. So let me just design a very nifty little drone. Up. And right now we have the stats of the drone, and it says the drone is valid. If it's valid, it means we can save it. Let's save it as a simple one. That's a simple drone. This other wasp type of drone, we can load it in, and you can see it's right here. It's pretty cool. And that's the other drone you can see here. That's the first one, and that's the second one, probably. Or it's out of whack or out of order. It's probably gonna be the second one we've just crafted. This all needs work. It's just a prototype. It is just a prototype. In here we can craft the blueprints, and those blueprints can be collected, and I can't place the collector because I have no power. So let me just add some batteries and add the collector, and this collector suddenly collects all the blueprints, and they appear on the top left. This top left value, those two blueprints, we can use in battle, and this battle we can just click on any of the battle options here. In this battle we can just deploy the drones we've created. We only have 2 drones, so I don't think they're gonna do quite well against this little horde of enemies. So let me just try it and chill a little. Let me just a little, you know, just for the sake of example. I'm gonna place whatever the amount of this drone is, and you know what, this should be fine. This should do well. Let's start this fight. Right now the battle is very bare bones. It's just like kind of a numbers game. But the thing is, those statistics that you can see on the left, the thrust, compute, energy, ammo, though all of those things are actually affecting the drone in the battle view, which is something that's going to be improved even more when the battle view gets more polished. But you know, look at it, look how raw it is. Okay, it's all a prototype. So let me show you this. We've got something unlocked, right? There's no more battle. We can just open the factory plot, and just like here we can build a new factory stuff. So let's start with placing some batteries. Let's excavate some ore, and let's do some conveyor belts. And in here let's craft some iron bars. I could use this, or I could use just the smelter. Both are kind of the same thing for now. Listen, this got added later on in the game, so later on in the prototype. So they both, this one is just superior right now. So right now I can just create a part here, and this is gonna go out here, and let's just let's just craft some more blueprints. How about that? How about that? Okay, there we go. Those will get created, those will go here, and this one will be this number should go up soon enough. I could also like use this one. I cannot build outside of the factory plot. There's probably gonna be a mechanism to basically make them make it so we can expand a little bit in a different way. But for now, you know, it's a prototype. No one cares. Let's go. Like just for the sake of example, I'm just gonna smelt it up here. Just so you see. And I can just create a part, and this one is producing more parts now. Right now we have 5 of the blueprints, and this one is getting like 2 assemblers working for it. So the production is going up, the factory is growing, and we have this factory working right now. We can just design our drones in the meantime. We can just start some battles. Let's just use our drones. I don't have too many, so we'll have to supply ourselves with more of the cheated drones. But how it goes, I think we can all see how it goes. We are completely destroying them. We are winning. We are winning. All right. So I've just unlocked another factory plot. And with this factory plot, you can do whatever. You can do pixel art, okay? This is a great game. You can do pixel art in this game. You know, I can make like a little bit of a, you know, a smiley face. How about that? Anyway, you know, this is my introduction to the new graphical program I just made, and like, subscribe to see more of it. Thank you.